Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link version 8.23 brings several important improvements designed to make diagnostics faster, more stable, and more reliable for technicians and workshop professionals. One of the key updates in DDDL 8.23 is enhanced compatibility with newer Detroit engine platforms, including improved communication with the latest ECM calibrations. This ensures smoother connections and more accurate data reading during diagnostics. The software also delivers better stability on Windows 10 and Windows 11, reducing unexpected crashes and connection drops that were occasionally reported in older versions. This makes DDDL 8.23 more dependable for daily professional use. Another notable improvement is optimized fault code handling. Diagnostic trouble codes load faster, and parameter monitoring is more responsive, helping technicians identify issues more efficiently and save valuable time. In addition, Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link 8.23 includes minor interface refinements and performance optimizations, resulting in quicker startup times and improved overall usability. Overall, DDDL 8.23 is a solid upgrade that enhances reliability, compatibility, and diagnostic performance, making it a recommended version for anyone working with Detroit diesel engines.